welcome back to my channel, you guys. I do have a new setting powder to review, and it's a new Milani Make It Last setting powder in the shade Translucent Banana. I have been waiting for this to come to stores. I like buying stuff online sometimes, but you never know what it may look like once it gets here. But I did go ahead and pick this up at Walmart. But I'm just excited because I love finding new powders. It's just something about it that I love. I have reviewed so many powders on my channel at this point. It's kind of crazy. But I want to go ahead and see if this works on my skin. So you guys want to stick around and see how it reacts on the skin, if I love it or not, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so let's go ahead and read the claims on the packaging. So it does claim that it's an ultra fine translucent powder that locks in your makeup. It's non-chalky, advanced formula, smooths the look of the lines and imperfections, and designed to work on most skin tones. So they don't have a lot of claims. It's just supposed to be good. Let's go ahead and apply concealer. I do have my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe. So let me go ahead and apply that. Alright, so initial impression, you guys, when I first applied the powder, it blended into my skin like butter. I was so shocked. I was trying to control myself. But what I'm going to do now is just bake my face for a few minutes or so. Then I'll be right back to show you guys what it looks like when I brush it off. But I'm so excited. Like, I'm trying to contain myself. Alright, so I'm back. Let's go ahead and brush the powder off because I'm so excited. Let's see how this works for my skin. So y'all, this powder came off so easily. I will say it is a translucent powder because when you press into your skin, it just blends right in. And also I did bake and it didn't leave a white cast on my face. Doesn't look ashy, doesn't look cakey underneath the eyes. Honestly, maybe the best drugstore powder I've ever tried. But let me go ahead and finish up the rest of my face and I'll give you guys my final thoughts on the powder. Okay, so I was gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my face, you guys, but when I went ahead and sprayed my Urban Decay All Night Makeup Setting Spray all over my face, the powder just kind of reacted to it because when I look down into the mirror, there's dots of powder all over my skin. And I try to blend it out and it's not working whatsoever. So what I'm going to do is take a little bit more powder and just press it right on top and see if it makes it go away because it just looks weird, like just spots all over my face. Alright, so it did make it look a little bit better. It's not as spotty as before, but I still do see the spots underneath my eyes. So I don't know what the situation is. I don't know if the powder does not react well to setting sprays. I don't know, but that's an issue that I need to go ahead and figure out. Okay, so I'm back with my final thoughts on the Milani Make It Last setting powder in the shade Banana. This powder is a really good powder, you guys. I will say for drugstore, it blends well, doesn't look cakey, doesn't look ashy. It's just one of the best I've honestly tried. Now the whole situation with the setting spray, I don't know what happened there. So I do know some people may think it was a setting spray that did the whole situation underneath the eyes, but trust me, I use this with every single powder I have and it never does that. But since this video is going up on Sunday, what I'm going to do is tomorrow I'm going to try this powder again, and then I'm going to set my face again and see what happens. If the same thing happens, I'll let you guys know in the description bar down below, because that just kind of ruined it for me. But at the same time, it's such a good powder. Honestly, if you go ahead and take a brush just like this and set your under eyes with the powder, or just press the powder into your skin, it looks so beautiful. You don't have to bake with this powder. Yeah, I mean, it's just such a good powder, but that whole setting spray issue, I don't know what happened. But besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. They do have 3 more powders, so please go ahead and pick them up because they are really good. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one.